have two handle and the screw when you unpack it. This one for the mesh, this one for the you put it up, you screw here and then put it out. We're now testing for the knocker in the same position. Feel it? So lock down like this, and then we already put here have a lock seated so this one to hold here. Okay, this one is for the glasses. It's here to make the longer top, the locker shop. And then put them out, two together. And then the square tube to put inside the frame. And then make sure it's the same position because the handle you can put in the right way to make sure it's in a good condition for lock and open. So when it's come up, the button come up, this is open. You can switch it into the frame. This handle, you should put the right way in. Right now it's closed, so the button should go down. And when it open, then horizon, like this. So when it's open, you see, now it's open. And then close, they will go up, the lock part. So this is how we put it into the frame. And then when you finish them, you should make this one go into. This one mà you like. And last but not least, to make sure this one into the top. Then it's a put it down, up and down. Then it's a finish. And then when it's up, you see the lock cylinder is go up and down like this. This is the hinge, you see. You need to get the switch, then it's out. Same like this here, switch, and then out. Yeah. When you put it the sash, this is the glass sash, and also the mesh glass, and this is the glass sash. Glass sash, we put it here. We switch here and there. Then you can put it out. Same thing, you should put it on the top like this. And then it's out. So it's very easy to install the same frame like this.